Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create glass-morphism effect in Affinity Photo 2. Now, let's create a shape. I will use rounded rectangular tool. Then I will put it in the center. There you go. I would like to decrease the corner amount. You can use any shape. It's totally up to you. Duplicate the background, Ctrl J. Next, I will decrease the opacity of our shape to 0. This will allow you to see the amount of blur later on. Hold Ctrl, then left click the layer to select it. Move to our duplicated background layer. Then hit Mask. Add leaf filters and choose Gaussian blur. Don't forget, check preserve alpha. And I will go with 36. Now, you can see we already have the glass-morphism effect. Turn our shape opacity back to 100%. Then, hit layer effects. Select gradient overlay. You can pick any color you want. But in this video, I will use one. Oh yes, don't forget to turn down fill opacity to 0. This will allow you to hide the main object, but the effect still appears. And now, I'm playing with the gradients opacity. Then you can add outline to make the glass effects even better. It is quite similar process with the gradient overlay. Now hit close button, and I'm happy with the result. Now I will add text in front of the glass. It can be anything you want, logo, anything. Increase the size a bit, and we are done. Alright, thank you guys. This is my first tutorial. Hope you like it and see you soon.